Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're comparing Base44 and Claude, two very different AI tools to see which one makes more sense depending on what you need. So Base44 is a no-code AI app builder. You type prompts and the tool tries to generate app UI, database, logic, and integrations all bundled together. The claim is non-developers can build full apps from scratch without writing much code. Supporters say it automates a lot of heavy lifting. One user wrote, "Tried Base44. Easy to use for simple apps, not as strong as Bubble, but support is good. Fine for beginners." I tested Base44 for small app ideas and prototypes. It does speed up getting a UI plus basic logic working. It's good for CRUD apps or dashboards, but when I pushed it, adding custom logic, branching workflows, or more complex state, it started breaking down. Some other users have had similar concerns like, "My suggestion is not worthy for you to build complex apps using Base44. It is not worth $50 without features too." Also, there's a concern about authenticity of its praise. As one Redditor noted, Base44 subreddit reviews seems to be fake. So, it's fun and fast for small builds, but risky for anything serious. Base44 has its flaws and limitations as well. It may not be ideal for complex or custom logic. Once you deviate from templates, you will struggle. Platform lock-in risk. If Base44 changes or shuts features, migration is hard. Overhyped marketing. Some reviews often inflated or sponsored. Feature gaps like performance error handling, scalability often fall short as well. Now, let's move on to Claude. So Claude by Anthropic is an AI assistant or model. It is used for reasoning, writing, code generation, analysis, and more. The claim is that it produces safe, aligned outputs with fewer hallucinations and better context control compared to many AI tools. It doesn't generate full apps from prompts, but it helps you write code, architecture, logic, handle complex text tasks better. When I used Claude, its strength is in its versatility. You can ask it to generate parts of apps, refactor code, answer architecture questions, or help debug logic. It's more reliable for those tasks and it won't replace a dev stack or automatically build your UI backend in one click, but it integrates well as a component in your workflow. Now, here are the flaws of Claude and its limitations. You still need to build your UI, hosting, database, and glue code manually. Sometimes it refuses prompts or is overly cautious. Its performance also depends heavily on how you prompt it and integrate it. So, my verdict, which one is better? If your goal is to roll out an app fast and you don't care if it's fragile or limited, Base44 can help you prototype quickly. But for anything beyond small projects, it becomes unreliable. Claude is more robust and usable across many tasks, so you can use it as your AI assistant for logic, code, and content. Then you can build your app around it. So my pick is that Claude is better overall for serious work. Use Base only for quick experiments and prototyping. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.